everyone, my name is Daphne from Freshfield Fitness. Today's session is all about balance. So if you feel you've become inactive or you've lost a little bit of strength and feel like you need to regain your balance, then Tai Chi is a great exercise to start to practice. Very simple exercises using Tai Chi movements I've combined together into a great session today that's going to improve your balance, especially as seniors, and as we age we need to maintain our balance so that we can prevent falls or accidents, and really so that we can keep active day to day. So Tai Chi is a great way to help improve our balance, and that's because we become very aware of our body alignment, where our body weight is distributed between the feet. And then today's exercises, we're going to focus on shifting the weight nice and gently and easy and simply from one foot to the other, and that way you can really start to feel grounded to the floor, feel more secure in your footwork and where your body is aligned, and also improve your strength in your legs. And all those things will mean that Tai Chi can help you improve your balance. So we're going to get started. I'd like you to take your feet about hip width apart so that we can warm up and get ready and prepare for our Tai Chi exercises. So just feel nice and relaxed through the body. Keep all the joints tension free. And we're just going to turn our waist from side to side, just within our own comfort zone. So do listen to your own body. And just swinging the arms freely, you'll feel the body loosen off and get a little bit warmer and ready for the exercise ahead. So feeling a little bit looser, a bit warmer, and definitely ready for some more movement. So bringing our feet to hip width apart, parallel stance. And I'd just like you to take a moment to just scan your body from head to toe and feel your body weight right into both feet, exactly the same amount of body weight within the two. And this is called centering. So we want our body weight to be 50-50 on each foot, and feel those feet grounded into the floor. So I can really wiggle my toes and feel them pushing into the floor, so I feel very secure and solid. It's like I'm rooting myself, spreading my foundation so I'm nice and secure on the floor. Okay, we're going to inhale here, arms rise, and then exhale and float the hands down. And let's go again. Nice inhale and exhale. So just think about that posture and think about that grounding into the floor. Inhale, keeping it nice and relaxed. So this time, as the arms lower, we're going to add a knee bend. So listen to your knees and just bend to wherever suits you best. Inhale here, and as we bend, visualize our body weight sinking down into the floor. Nice inhale and exhale down. And again, nice inhale. And this is warming up the legs too, adding that little knee bend. And exhale. We're going to inhale here and exhale down. And we're going to leave the hands on our table, our imaginary tabletop. And we're going to shift the weight over to one foot. And I'd like you to turn your hands so you're holding a ball with the same hand on top as the side that we have moved to. and then bring it back to our centre, and we're going to straighten the legs and bend again, and we're going to go over to the other side. So over to the other side. So this hand, the side that we've moved to, is on top of the ball, and then bring it back, and nice inhale and exhale. Let's try that again. So taking the hands around to hold the ball, and then bringing it back up. Nice inhale and exhale. So transferring the weight over to one foot. So feel this foot becomes a little bit more empty of weight. Lifting up and bring it down. Let's go again. Bringing it up to the centre and sinking the weight down into both feet. Travelling over to one side and then bringing it up and bringing it down. This time we're going to add a little tap in of the foot. So we're going to hold it here, and then this foot's empty of weight now. I can release it, and I'm just going to turn to the corner and tap here into what's called empty stance. So I'm just tapping my foot on the floor, and this foot now has 100% of my body weight in it. And then we're going to step that foot back to where it was and straighten the legs and bring it down. So let's try that on the other side. So transferring the weight and get the body weight right on top of this foot. Feel it going into the ground. We're going to turn the waist, and at the same time I can release this foot and tap it into my empty stance. And then I'm going to bring the hands, replace the foot, centre the weight, inhale and exhale. Let's try that again. So taking it over to the side, turn and tap, and then bringing it back, centre the weight, lift up and sink down. So really feel grounded to the floor. Let's try again. Over to the side, turn and tap, and then back to the front here and centre the weight. So now try and make it nice and merge together like one big movement. But still be very aware of where your body weight is. Remember to come back to that central position. So our next progression, we're going to take it over, returning and tapping to the corner, and then we're going to lift the foot. So you don't have to, you can just tap in and tap back out, or you can try the lift up and tap down. So all about good solid foundation here on this supporting leg. We're still lifting up through the posture. Keep your abdominals engaged by pulling belly button through to spine. And then we're going to step to the front. Again, replacing that foot, centering the weight, and then inhale and exhale down. So let's talk that through on the other side. We're going over to the side. We're going to turn and tap. So feel secure now. Concentrate on this supporting leg. It's got all the body weight, and this foot now feels empty of weight. And then we can tap it in, or we can lift it up and tap it down. And then we're going to step it back to where it was, centre the weight here, arms rise and float them down. Let's try again. First side, turn and tap, lift up, tap down, and then come back, centre and down. Over to the side, turn and tap, lift up, tap down, let's just give our legs a little bit of a shake. Give them a bit of a breather. I hope that's feeling okay. So like you can see, Tai Chi is very slow, it's very controlled, and it's all about knowing where your body weight is. So we're going to repeat that whole section again, slowly progressing it. Or you can have a break and come back to it at another time. Okay, so all about repetition, and hopefully the more you practice this, if you just do a little bit every day, a little bit of Tai Chi is really going to improve your balance, especially for seniors. And like I say, as we age, we need to maintain that balance. Okay, so bringing our feet back to our parallel stance. Little body scan, feel everything nice and relaxed, but good posture, and feel the weight distributed 50-50 between these feet, sinking the body weight into the floor, really grounding into the floor. We're going to inhale here and exhale down. So Tai Chi is all about connecting our mind to our body and being very present in the moment. So really feel your movement. And like I say, focus on that body alignment and where your body weight is distributed through the feet, and then how we're transferring it to one foot and the other. Let's add that knee bend. Nice inhale, and just listening to your body and making sure it feels safe and comfortable and well within your limitations. So I'm sinking the weight into the floor. Taking your time. So this time we're going to progress the move. So we're going to go over to one side. So feel the weight shift into that one foot. So the other foot feels quite empty of weight. And then we're going to shift it back to the centre, bringing the hands up and taking them down. So centering the weight again over to one side. And then bringing it back. And all the time, feeling this sinking, this grounding, this rooting into the floor. Let's go again. To the side, one foot. And then inhale, keeping the breathing calm. And over to the other side. And center, release, and relax. Progressing again, so we're going to add that turn and tap. So staying on one foot and we're tapping into empty stance. Coming back to centre, release and relax. Over to one side, turn the corner and tap, and then centre and release and relax. And second side. So get the weight right over this supporting leg. And back to the centre. So our next progression, adding that lift to the side, turn and tap, and then we can lift up, tap down. It doesn't have to be a high tap. It can just be a little small one, or like I say, just tapping it in, that's fine too. It's all about progressing, repetition, and just feeling that it suits you to move on to the next progression. And that way we're developing the strength bit by bit, and we're moving forwards with it rather than taking a step back by trying to do too much too soon. So little and often is really great for building our strength and retaining our balance. Over to the side, turn and tap, lift up, tap down and step into the side. Centre the weight and down. Nice inhale. Inhale and exhale. Nice little knee bend here. And inhale. So feeling calm. Still focusing on that body weight, on the posture, and getting the weight 50-50 between these feet, rooted and grounded to the floor. And like we're sinking ourselves into the floor. Let's keep our legs straight. Nice inhale. And exhale. Connecting our minds and body. Feeling calm and relaxed. Bringing it in. I hope that session has shown you how Tai Chi can really help improve your balance, especially for seniors, anybody that wants to stay active as we age. It's important to keep hold of your strength and maintain your balance, and Tai Chi is a perfect way to exercise and do that. So I've modified the Tai Chi that we would normally do into sort of Tai Chi exercises in this session so that we can focus on improving our strength, our body alignment, our posture, and especially that weight transference between feet and centering the body weight for good posture and really feeling secure in our balance. Do keep practicing those simple Tai Chi exercises and let me know if you feel that they've helped improve your balance. I do hope so, and I shall see you again soon. Check out the rest of the channel. Lots of Tai Chi exercises here for you to do for your health, fitness and well-being. See you soon. Bye.